What is up everyone? In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Play Store not working in Realme C75x. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings. In settings, scroll down and here you can see the option apps. Now click on it and then click on app management. Now scroll down and find Google Play Store. Now click on Google Play Store and then click on storage usage. Now here you can clear the cache memory and data of your Play Store. After clear the data and cache memory of Play Store, then go back to your home screen and check your internet connection works properly or not. If it doesn't work properly, then update your internet connection. After that, restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button and then swipe up to restart your device. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.